Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send USDC from Crypto.com to Binance in 2025. Whether you're just starting out in crypto or you're a pro looking for a quick refresh, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you do it safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First off, before we get started, make sure you have verified accounts on both Crypto.com and Binance, and that you have a balance of USDC in your Crypto.com wallet. Also, always use the latest versions of their apps to avoid any compatibility issues. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app on your phone or log in via their website. Enter your credentials and go to your wallet dashboard. Step 2. Locate your USDC in the list of assets. Tap on it to access the withdrawal or send options. Step 3. Switch over to your Binance account. Navigate to your wallet, select USDC, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: double-check that you're using the correct network, like Ethereum or whatever blockchain USDC is on, to prevent any failed transfers. Step 4. Back in Crypto.com, paste the Binance address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDC you want to send, and review any transaction fees displayed. Step 5. Take a moment to verify all the details: the address, amount, and network. Once you're confident, hit the confirm button to initiate the transfer. Step 6. Sit tight. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's complete, log back into Binance and check your USDC balance to confirm it arrived. A few quick tips: always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. Sending USDC from Crypto.com to Binance is that simple. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there in the crypto world.